Thank you for coming back to another video. If you're yet to subscribe, please don't forget, before you go, subscribe. In fact, hit the subscribe button now. I'm sure you're going to get value from this video. So this fabric is Jonkoso, and I'm going to be cutting both the front and the lining together. That's the inner and outer fabric will be cut together. You can use 8 inches. You can, between 8 and 9 inches is fine for an adult. That will be the height of the cap. So on fold it will be 8 or 9 inches, 8 to 9 inches, and if you open it, it will be 16 to 18 inches. I hope you understand. So I've done that now, and then that middle point there, that's going to be the band area, and I'm going to place this hard stay. I'm going to place it on one side. The hard stay is 3 inches. Meanwhile, the stay I used for the body, the full body of the cap, is soft stay. That one that is lightweight. So now, when I iron this hard stay on one side of the fabric, as you see the way I opened it, whichever side I iron it on becomes the right side. That will be the side that is outside, while the other side will be the lining. The other side will serve as the lining. And I've cut the stay, that's the soft stay, for the crown as well. Now I'm going to cut the crown double, that's double fabric, so that one will be the lining and one will be the main fabric. I hope you understand. As you can see on the screen, I am marking the wrong side so that it will be easy for me to remember. I don't have to think about it when I'm stitching them. And the band area, that's where I just put that hard stay. I'm going to run a 1/4 inch stitch from the left to the right, as you see me use my finger to show you. And after doing that, this is what we have. It's just the regular steps. The only difference is that in this Jonkoso, or if you're using Ankara fabric, you are going to be cutting both your body and lining together. And if in the event that your lining is a different color or a different kind of fabric from the body, the main material, then you are going to make the measurements half and half. I hope you understand. Okay, now I'm taking the person's measurement, the head circumference measurement, on both the lining and the main fabric side, and then I'm going to draw a line and do my stitch. I'm going to sew along the line that I'm drawing now. That's the person's head size. If you are new to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. Watch this video to the end. Please don't watch it halfway and leave. Watch to the end. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for liking my videos. I appreciate every comment. I appreciate the good comments especially. And thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you so much. So now I've ironed that part, that excess fabric part, and I'm just going to turn it inside out now and show you what the cap is looking like. So this is the length of the cap. And now I'm going to do a top stitch around the band area. I'm going to top stitch around that band area. Like that. And then I'm also going to do the upper part of the circumference. I'm going to close that side, and then I'm going to top stitch the crown. I'm going to top stitch the lining with the main fabric together. After doing that, then I bring the circumference with the crown and join them as well. As you can see, I've done the top stitch at the bottom. Now remember, I marked the wrong side from the right side the other time, so that is what is going to help me now to decide where is going to be outside and where is going to be inside for the crown. what's left now is to weave that inner part. That's the only thing that needs to be woven. So when you finish weaving and you iron it again, filler, you need to be ironing. But there's a way I do it when I'm doing Aso Oke. I don't iron every step of the way, especially when there's no light. But when there's light, I iron. But with this particular one, I had to iron every step of the way, because it's not like Aso Oke that still have some firmness to it. This one is a softer fabric, so everything that you see, every step that you see me do, I ironed, and I'm going to iron right after this. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I really appreciate your comments. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I'm going to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.